At the meeting point of the Mūsa and Mēmele rivers in southern Latvia, Bauska Castle stands as one of the country's most important medieval fortresses. Its commanding position above the riverbanks made it a strategic stronghold, guarding routes between Latvia and Lithuania. The castle was built in the 15th century by the Livonian Order, a branch of the Teutonic Knights. Designed as a military fortress, it served as a defensive outpost, protecting the southern frontier of Livonia during a period of regional conflict and political rivalry. In the late 16th century, the site evolved beyond its military origins when the Dukes of Courland and Semigallia added a Renaissance palace beside the medieval fortress. This unique combination of castle and palace transformed Bauska into both a defensive stronghold and an aristocratic residence. The castle witnessed numerous wars over the centuries, including conflicts involving Sweden, Poland, Lithuania, and Russia. During the Great Northern War in the early 18th century, the fortress suffered severe damage and gradually fell into ruin, ending its role as a military center. About 12 kilometers from Bauska Castle stands Rundāle Palace, Latvia's most famous Baroque residence. Both sites were connected through the Duchy of Courland and Semigallia, with Bauska serving as a strategic fortress, while Rundale later became a lavish palace reflecting the wealth and ambitions of the duchy's rulers. Today, Bauska Castle has been carefully restored and welcomes visitors to explore both its medieval fortress and Renaissance palace. Overlooking the rivers that shaped its history, the castle remains one of Latvia's finest reminders of its medieval and ducal past.